In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add section in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the section component, how to place it on your canvas, and which key settings to check before you publish. Start by opening your Framer project so you're looking at the canvas. At the top of the interface, click Insert to open the Components panel. If the panel is collapsed, click Insert again to fully expand it so you can see all categories. We're going to work from the Basics category, so select Basics to reveal the core building blocks you'll use most often. From Basics, choose the Scroll Section component. This is ideal for creating clear, scannable blocks on a page and for enabling smooth scrolling behavior between sections. With the component selected, click on the canvas to place it. You can drag its edges to size it, or just drop it in and adjust dimensions later in the right-hand Properties panel. A quick tip: place the section where you ultimately want it to live to reduce later layout adjustments. With the new section selected, move to the right side panel and open Interactions. Add a link interaction so your section can serve as a target or a trigger for navigation. Set the destination as needed, whether that's another page, a specific anchor, or a top-of-page scroll. Keep the default easing and duration for now, unless you have a specific motion style in mind. You can always fine-tune later. Next, open Position. Choose whether this section should be relative to the parent frame, pinned, or otherwise constrained. Then open Size and decide if it should auto-size to content or fill the width. If your layout is responsive, using percentages or setting min and max values can help maintain consistent spacing across breakpoints. Make sure the layer in your layers list is the scroll section you just added. Renaming it now can save time when your page grows. Then head to Accessibility. Give the section a clear label so screen readers can identify it. Setting a meaningful name and role helps all users navigate your content more confidently. In Selection, confirm how this section behaves when selected and whether it should be locked or easily targetable while you work on other elements. If you're using custom behavior, open Code Overrides to attach an override file and connect any logic you've already prepared. When everything looks good, click Publish to push your changes live. Preview first to ensure your section scrolls and links exactly as expected, then publish with confidence. That's it. You've added a section in Framer, configured its interactions and layout,